Consider human capital and other capital. The human capital comes from both investment and consumption. In terms of investment here, we look at in terms of cost, and then we expect the benefit. Okay, this is a key word. But consumption, we have perspective of consume, and then we gain the utility. This is big difference. There's a big difference. Okay, the benefit. Okay, we hope the money, right? We hope we gain the money later on, but utility, we just what? พึงพอใจ or satisfaction, right? Satisfaction. Okay, so human capital we can separate in two perspectives. Okay, and depreciation in human capital as they like another capital that they have depreciation from time to time, short run to long run. At the long run, they have depreciation as well. Why? First one, because of new technology. New technology will occur, and then the knowledge, human capital about knowledge, okay? Education and skill, we call knowledge, okay? Will be out of date because new technology, okay? And some skills not up to date. When the situation change to globalization, for instance, globalization need the skill of English, but the labor they do not speak English, so skill is not up to date. Okay, depreciation as well. The reason number 2 is that the production is produce more and use more, right? When the labor they use their brain to think about the working, but use more, right? Use more of the brain, use more of the intelligence, maybe decline in long time. Okay, like aging. When we have a worker, we have age around 30 or 35 years old, but in the long run, then when we going to 50 years old, okay, produce more and use more, and then decline in the long run about the capacity or capability or competency. Okay, factor affect earnings. Okay, so we know that the human capital can affect earning. Okay, we know that. Here is some theory from Minzer equation. Minzer is economist that he think and prove this theory and show his function as the log earnings is a function of years of schooling, years of experience, demographic factor, socioeconomic factor. Okay, this I use applied from, because original Minzer is long earning. The original is function of years of schooling, years of experience, and years of experience square. This is original Minzer equation. But this subject I applied, plug in the demographic factor, socioeconomic factor, and others. Okay, we will move on. Other model we can try to explain that human capital matters. human capital matters. Okay, wage equal to function of human capital. Okay, fine, we understand. And productivity is a function of motivation. Okay, because wage is equal to production, and human capital is a function of motivation. Okay, and then wage equal to productivity, and we know that the productivity or MPL is equal to price multiplied by MPL are the function of motivation. Okay, because this bundle are the same, so they are equal to the function of motivation. Okay, if price constant, wage is equal to MP. I in parentheses as K and HE. We call HE as human efficiency, like the HE is human efficacy, like productivity. Okay, so the wage, okay, is the function of MP, and this MPI, individual I, is the function of capital K and HE. In terms of L and K, they are complementary. Okay, and HE is a function of HE, and in parentheses is effectiveness of human capital, MIE multiplied by HC, human capital I, where the W is wage. Okay, you know that. MPI and individual marginal product. KI is capital, okay, from firm I. Okay, HEI is human efficiency, okay, efficiency, and MR is individual motivation, okay, behind the personality, and human capital is individual human capital, and E is rate of mental proficiency. Okay, efficiency, ENCY. Okay, efficiency, and this objective for this chapter, I will give you a data set. Try to practice, all of you, to test by OLS, ordinary least square, by the earning equation. In terms of this equation, okay, we focus this equation. Number one, loan earning equal to function of yield, schooling experience, and experience square by the theory of Mincer. Okay, and then you will look at my video that I separate the clip video into the chapter 2 OLS. You will look at that video, and I will test for you and show for your example, and you will follow me step by step. Okay, firstly you will load the Excel first, about the dataset first, and then this dataset of Excel, like this is Excel. Okay, I post it in the Google Classroom already, and then you will use this data program in your notebook, and then you will learning step by step with my clip video.